Here we have the little cub, and the female always sit nearby guarding. Today I will go to the Great Grey Owl again, because yesterday my friend Lars was there and he saw one of the chick, and that is the first time this year that we see one of the chicken. We hope there are more than one, but he saw only one, and actually it was big, so therefore we are going there this evening and see if we can photograph and film it. And it's a little bit windy today, and that's good because all the mosquitoes are not so disturbing, or if you say so, it's not, they are not so angry. So let's go there and see if we can get any pictures and movies. And here behind me we have big Lars.
Should I show you? Oj! Får trilla och stäng.
And we are waiting for the male to come with some prey to the chick. We think there are only one chicken. We haven't looked because the female sits very near the nest. But it's nice weather, and as you see, there's a lot of mosquitoes. But we have this one, Marcel, and I think it helps a lot. Now it's time to go home. It's a little bit dark now, even if it looks good in this camera. but it's darker and nothing happens. She only sits there and wait. And I think it's 25 meters from us, and she sits there and watching the chicken. So now we go home. On my way home I came across wild boars. And now back to next day. Here we are now, and we have just found the female and one chicken. Maybe here is only one chicken, but we hope that there are two. And here is Lars, my friend.
Right.
And what do you hope happens?
That we have some feeding for the kids.
Yes.
That the maid came in with some mouse. That we are waiting for.
Yes, you heard. We are waiting for the male to come with the mouse to the female, and the female will go up to the little fellow here, just sitting here. And I have measured. It's 21 meters to, no, 17 meters to the little one, and it's nearly 40 meters to the female. I measure it with my height micro Harbrook binocular, and it's very good to find the little owl with that binocular. I always say monocular, but it's a binocular, and it's even so you can see it, even if it's so light as it is now. So with that, we found the little fellow sitting up here. Now I'm sitting here and has a lot of mosquitoes, and I have my remote control, and I have been sitting here for 2 hours now, and nothing happens. So when you see my pictures on the movie, you know there's a lot of time behind each photo. And we just have to wait that something shall happen. Because I want some movies, I want movies and pictures where there something happen in it. And they were not just sitting on a branch or something like that. So we are sitting here and waiting. And Lars is also here.
I just got a sausage and a beer.
And a beer.
And a big beer. In the bar.
Big Lars. I will now show you the environment here. And sometimes it blows, it becomes a little bit windy, and that's good for all the mosquitoes. And oh, I'm sitting here with my remote control, and I will show you the environment here with my camera. I will now show you where she sits. And here I'm sitting.
And I'm sitting here.
Sitting bull.
Sitting bull.
Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you subscribe to my channel.